Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a pita bread chicken sandwich, and if you guys are interested in this video, if you enjoy refreshing food, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So to get started, we are going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil to my already washed chicken. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Everglades seasoning, 1 teaspoon of roasted garlic brown butter seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we are going to go ahead and start mixing. So after mixing well, we are going to make sure that we marinate it for about 30 minutes. And next, we're going to move on to making our vegetables. So over here, I have some onion and I have some cucumbers, romaine lettuce, and some tomatoes. And we are going to go ahead and start dicing them. So right over here, I'm just, cutting my tomatoes into halves. And then the next was my lettuce. Well, romaine lettuce to be exactly, some cucumber and some diced onion. And then a little extra tomatoes again. So I did not use all my tomatoes. So the next thing that we are going to add is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then 1 tablespoon of regular ranch. And then 2 tablespoons of this secret sauce ranch. So after that, we are going to go ahead and mix everything together. My last ingredient I'm going to add is this tanjin seasoning. Don't put too much because it's a little tangy. And we're going to continue mixing everything. So now that we are done, we are going to move on to grilling our chicken. So over here, I have my Ninja, and I'm cooking my chicken at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. For about 20 minutes, 10 minutes every round, as you guys can see over here. So I'm flipping my chicken. Guys, this chicken was so good by itself. I don't think I needed to put it in the sandwich. I ate some of it by itself, just saying. It was well seasoned. So now that we are done, we are going to go ahead and start cutting our chicken. But before we cut it, we're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes before we cut it. So guys, I just want to say thank you for those who are subscribing. For those who are new, welcome to this channel. And I just really appreciate you guys so much. And if you guys are interested in following me on other platforms like Instagram or Lemonade 8, I think, I'm going to leave everything in the description below. So after cutting our chicken, I'm just showing you what kind of pita bread I'm using. And this is whole wheat pita bread. It comes in a 6-pack. And I'm going to go ahead and get the scissors and cut it in half because we want to make pockets pita bread chicken sandwiches. So over there, I'm just showing you that I have some mayo. You can put as much mayo as you want. So after adding my mayo on both sides, I went ahead and added some yellow mustard. As you guys can see, you can put as much as you want or as little as you want at the same time. I did the same thing for both pita bread pockets. So the next thing that we are going to do is add our lettuce in there, all the mixed vegetables. So after adding some mixed vegetables, I also went ahead and added some sautéed mushrooms with onions. This was just something that I made, and I just wanted to see how it tasted like. So this part is optional. So then you want to add your chicken, your grilled chicken. For my grilled chicken, I wish I had diced it and then mixed it with the lettuce, because you probably need to have that, juiciness from all the ingredients together. So for next time, I'm going to try to do that, like mix the chicken into the salad, so that way we can have that pita bread sandwich kind of thing going on. But rather than that, it was so good, guys. It was refreshing. And so the last thing that I'm going to add on top over here is, the secret sauce, and that's it. So guys, this is it. We have reached the end. Thank you for watching this channel. See you next time.